Hi, today I've got the Turbosmart intercooler to suit the Ford Ranger Raptor. We're going to do a quick install video today with basic hand tools that you can do on your driveway. While the stock unit is good for putting around town, if you're after upgraded performance, additional cooling for your vehicle, this is the unit for you. Being direct bolt-on, it requires no modifications to the car, uses factory hangers and uses the factory hoses and clips. It features a thick bar and plate core with cast end tanks and a nice black sleek finish. It has an additional drain at the bottom for condensation buildup, and it provides 75% more cooling area than the stock item. Because of the 40mm thicker core and the slightly larger frontal area. Its all aluminium construction gives it longevity and robustness compared to the OEM plastic construction. Perfect for off-road applications. And now let's get to the install. The tools you'll need for this install are a socket wrench, 10mm and 15mm sockets, and a socket extender. The first step is to remove the underbody protective plate. Loosen the two 15mm bolts at the rear and remove the two 15mm bolts at the front. Now remove the protective plate. This will expose the intercooler. Next, you will need to remove the 10mm bolt on both left and right support brackets. Each support bracket has two 15mm bolts holding them to the frame. Remove both brackets to release the intercooler. Remove the free hoses from the intercooler. To do this, release the clips holding the hoses to the intercooler and pull firmly. At this point, the intercooler will be free from the car. Remove the standard intercooler. Inspect the factory rubber bushings and move them from the standard intercooler to the new intercooler. Lift the new intercooler into place and reinstall the two support brackets. Install the 10mm screws on both brackets. Attach the intercooler hoses, making sure you hear an audible click letting you know the hose clamps have seated properly. Reinstall the underbody protection. As you can see, it's really straightforward to go from the stock intercooler to the beefier Turbosmart one. With basic hand tools, can be done anywhere, including your driveway. We have the convenience of a full post hoist here. For more information, go to our website, www.turbosmart.com.